If you're in the painting or laser engraving business, and let's just say you do any of this for a hobby, this blue tape might just interest you. Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. For those returning, I'm so glad you're back. And for those of you new here, just to let you know, on this channel we review everything. I'm Shibabs, and before we start, a quick reminder, this isn't just an unboxing channel, it's also a tutorial channel. What you may know, others may not. Therefore, let's keep your comments polite so we can all learn and benefit from each other. Back to the subject, blue tape is a type of masking tape specifically designed for clean paint lines and easy removal. The biggest benefit is it helps create sharp professional edges when painting walls, trim or other surfaces, and also helps reduce paint bleeds thanks to special edge seal technology in higher quality brands. Unlike beige masking tape, blue tapes can be used in sunny or outdoor environments without it baking onto the surface. That's why painters prefer it for multi-day projects. When used in painting, they're designed so it doesn't peel off paint, drywall, wood finish, or other surfaces including cups, bottles, etc. before final laser engraving. Or other surfaces, like when you're laser engraving, you might just want to test it out before you finally engrave. So you might want to use a blue painter's tape just to test it. It can be removed cleanly even after 7 to 14 days, sometimes longer depending on the brand, and it tears easily by hand but still holds firmly when applied. One limitation though is that they're not strong enough for heavy bundling, packaging, or high tension applications. Some of the best brands you might want to check out are the 3M Scotch Blue, Frog Tape, which is green but it has a similar use, Duck brand Painter's Tape, Tessa Painter's Tape. If you liked the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to receive a notification every time we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and as always, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.